Good morning, Mrs. Dro's TK class. All right, today we are going to do a little bean in the bag experiment. What we're gonna need is some Ziploc bags, maybe one or two if you wanna do the experiment part. And we're gonna need a paper towel. We're gonna need some either pinto beans or lima beans, some kind of beans, and we're gonna need some water. Then what I want you to do, the first bag, if you're gonna wanna make sure that your experiment works, so that way you can see all the parts of a plant, you wanna take the paper towel and I just dip it in the water and then make sure you squeeze it out all the way, get all the water pretty much out, and then you can open that, squeeze all the water out, and then open that paper towel up. And that's about all the water we're gonna need to do to make this a successful experiment, and so we can see our plant grow. So we're gonna take that and we're gonna, shake it out, lay it down flat, and then you put it inside your little plastic bag. And then you wanna put, a few pinto beans, give them some space because seeds need some space to grow. And just that little bit of water is gonna be enough because then once you seal it, there's enough air in there and enough water that it'll grow. We might get a little spray bottle if it gets too dry and add some more. But we should be able in a few days to see the roots start to bust out of that seed. Now, if you want to do an experiment, here's one. Some of my families told me that their experiment, it didn't work and they weren't sure why. And most likely it's because they added too much water. So this one, I got the paper towel very wet. And in fact, I used this and I kind of poured in a little bit extra water. So at the bottom, there's actually a little bit of water standing in there. And there's a lot of water. So we're going to see what happens when you plant seeds with too much water, and then when you plant seeds with just the right amount. Let's see. Will they grow maybe faster? Will these ones grow at all? And we're gonna need obviously some sunlight too. So I'll probably put these in my window. I'll just tape them right to my window, and any window will do. And that way you can kind of see them grow, and once you put it on your window, up to your window, it'll be so nice. They'll be able to watch them grow every day. All right, so let's do this fun experiment together. And if you don't have the supplies, that's totally fine. You can get them later this weekend if you want, and you can still do the experiment and you can watch Mrs. Dro's plants grow. So this is Thursday, April the 4th, and we're watching our seeds grow.